Oh, you're already here? I just put some noodles on the gas because I was feeling really hungry. Speaking of food and hunger, can you guess where digestion begins in our body? If you're thinking the stomach, you're wrong. The process of digestion actually begins in the mouth itself. When we take in food through the mouth, we are ingesting food into the body. Our mouth, also referred to as the buccal cavity, contains the teeth, salivary glands, and tongue. It is here that multiple processes occur that help us digest our food. Food in the mouth gets broken down mechanically as well as chemically. Mechanical digestion of food is brought about by the teeth. When we bite food, we cut and chew the food down into smaller pieces. The smaller the pieces, the easier it is for our digestive juices to work on them. That is why our parents tell us that we must chew our food several times. My dad always told me to chew it 32 times. Our different teeth are specialized to carry out specific functions. So while incisors cut food, canines tear food, premolars and molars crush and grind the food. Chemical digestion of food is brought about by digestive juices or enzymes that are produced by glands such as the salivary glands and pancreas. Saliva, which we usually call spit, is secreted by the salivary glands. It gets added to the food as the teeth chew and break down the food mechanically. This makes the food easy to swallow. But more importantly, the enzyme in saliva breaks down the starch present in the food into sugars. The tongue is fleshy and muscular. It helps us taste our food and savor the various flavors that the food contains. It also helps the saliva to mix properly with the food while we chew it. Finally, it helps us swallow the food and push it down to the esophagus, which is commonly known as the food pipe, which carries the food down to the stomach. The esophagus contracts and relaxes alternately, in turn to push the food along its length. Finally, the food reaches the stomach. The food continues getting digested here, but more of that later. My noodles are ready. Gotta go. See you next time.